All right. So last time when I did the nice session with Node.js, the start, I apparently had the music very loud. Oh, no, I just actually had a music in the background. I thought it's gonna be cool, so you can actually enjoy something else than just my voice. But apparently, um, the music just somehow um, mask my voice, so you couldn't hear anything else than just the music. And the second, YouTube also recognizes some of those tracks, or actually all of them that I played, actually commercial commercialized, or you can just basically use them in your videos. So today we're gonna be just without any sounds. Um, so basically, where we ended last time. Um, where is my sublime? It's disappeared again. Okay, here you go. So, mm, last time we managed or we didn't manage actually to scrape anything, but shortly afterwards I realized that there was something fishy with the CNN web page. So I tried BBC, and it actually does something. So this is our server, and when we actually run it here by running node server.js, and then just try this out again here, then we check the output, or what we actually print over here. um, it actually shows we must guard core legacy something with miraculous, so we can immediately see that this is the headline um, that is over there. But what's funny is that um, this headline thingy actually this part of the code um, scrape all the headlines that they have over there with this class, obviously. So if I console log only headline, this is actually annoying. Every time we need to restart the server, but I mean, it's this part of the process. And then we run this again. Nice. We actually get fair enough. I probably should have put the text. And okay, so as you can see, I'm still learning with this platform thingy, but it's really exciting. Okay, so suddenly we have actually all the headlines of their articles that they on, so we can see that it spans from talking about Mr. Trump to plane crashes, whatever, Muslims, MP who meets, yeah, a lot of stuff. But we are interested always in the first one because for some reason perhaps it's also the most current, the most important one, right? Um, so I got to so we actually get the code from BBC, or not code, but the uh, the headline. And now the challenging part is actually querying the CNN, and it was the goal to actually reach it, but for some reason I'm not able to really get it, and I'm a bit frustrated. But perhaps we can get something else and then navigate to it, because I don't know what happened last time. But okay, so this is the call that gets, let's say, uh, I'm gonna rename it to BBC, and we're gonna make, okay, so, and maybe perhaps instead of checking it in there, I might just save it into Fireball if it's possible over here. Let's see if it works. I'm not that sure, but let's see. So let's say BBC live is this, and we're gonna return that as a text. So here BBC. Okay, maybe I should also start a timer today. It's again gonna be a 30-minute session. So here we go, let's start. The clock is on, so let's go. So, then we save the BBC, the headline. Tack, tack. And then we come over here. Where is it? Okay, I thought I had it here, but apparently I did not. But this is OPC. Okay, so 3. Okay, so it doesn't actually save, or we can't actually do this because yeah, it's closes inside over there. But perhaps it's gonna work. How can we share this variable? I mean, I'm actually curious. It's perfect over here. Aha, maybe it actually wants all this stuff as well. Right, okay, so let's just try if something happens. But if not, then I mean, okay, so it just doesn't want to really go in there. What if we do this? Does it change anything? I just like to see it here, but I guess we'll get that later. So the main quest actually is gonna be getting the CNN now. I'm not sure if I will actually get through, because last time we got some problems, as we both know, right? So we're gonna go CNN.com. This is it. Okay, so this should be what we are looking for, and as we know, this is okay. So it's H2. Okay, so we supposedly should be actually okay with this. With this class that we actually got up here. Okay, and we don't need this, and neither this, and just okay. So let's see what we got. Node.js again. I'm sorry for being so violent with the keyboard, but I guess oh, this is still CNN. BBC, but we gotta call CNN. And okay, so apparently we are getting an empty string. So there is, yeah, so basically the body that we are getting doesn't really get this. I'm really curious the way, I mean, there must be something that is wrong with either the class. Okay, but okay, let's see if we can get this article. That might be, let's say, easier. Article, or maybe this whole UL. Wow, this has very long, I would say many, okay, wow. Yeah, because I mean, it might be some sort of, you know, thing that is loaded afterwards with JavaScript and for some, but I mean, it should be working anyway. But let's see if we can get, let's say, these spans. Okay, over here. Okay, so it's on classes, and we just gonna console the headlines. Alright, restart the server, run on. Yeah, I mean, this is, you know, since it doesn't work and it's, you know, challenging, then that's why it interests me, right? Okay, so apparently we are getting somewhere. Let's see what this does. I always forget to put the text. cool. So okay, an empty string again. Hello, Anna.
You still need Thang?
Yes, I'm in the middle of something. Maybe can I just open your door in like 10 minutes? Thank you. Okay, so we are having oh, damn, this is so, I mean, you know, frustrating. But let's say, what if we just get the body and text? What does that do? What that do? Okay, now we have to actually use. Can we just get this the text? I'm curious what it does. Yeah, by the way, when you start coding, never have your doors open, I guess. Okay, so, oh, okay, so this is basically the text that we actually see. Seems that that's all, okay. It seems like that we are getting only the links and the rest is pulled probably by something, I don't know. Let me see. Okay. JavaScript timeout. Let's say what. Let's. Okay. So we're gonna use this now. Let's time this request. Can we do that? I guess. Okay. So this is the part. Yeah, this is the part. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so the part over here is okay. I'm a bit confused now where are the brackets, you know. Okay, so I guess this request is gonna be inside here. But, okay, so now we see what's going on. Okay, so it will execute this. Oh, let's give it 2 seconds. I'm curious because JavaScript on the server, you know, new stuff. So okay, no problem so far. Bits and okay, so it I mean, we are getting just some random stuff over here, and it seems that it's just, you know, breaking news. Is it also the same thing that, okay, so we are getting a lot of let me see. Okay, so now we're gonna try to get this again, or maybe we can just try to get all the I'm doing over here. Okay, just this, and perhaps we're gonna wait. Let's say, yeah, let's give it 4 seconds for some reason. Maybe, you know, it's something I don't know. I haven't. I'm not loading. I don't need to load this. I haven't really understood what's going on that page, but let's see. And we got an empty string again. So apparently the BBC site is not scrapable for some reason, or I'm just calling it in the wrong address that just gives us something else than it should, but that's very sad. Yeah, this, I mean, the address seems okay, but you know, since that we are getting all this stuff, the menu, but it seems that, yeah, it doesn't really gives us any other yeah, it just links it and it just ends with some sites. Okay. Ay, this is like okay. But I'm actually using, how's it called? Is it it's like this. Variant implementation. Okay. Okay, so we need this method. And it would be also just nice to see. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we have this here. So let's just do. Yeah. This. Restart the server. Oh, only 2 minutes left. That's so annoying. Okay, let's see. Aha. Yay. What's wrong over here? What does it say? It's not a function, okay. Fair enough, but that's what they said in the documentation. Or it's plugins. Ah, okay. But can we just, I mean, do this then? Maybe that's the difference. Okay, bits. Yeah, I should get rid of. Okay, whoa. So we are getting something actually, but this is crazy. Let me see if let's I'll copy everything, right? And let's see what it actually shows us. Yep. Okay, so now we're gonna try to find. Yes, we're gonna try to find the headline. Okay, so US President. Oh no. What's the fuck? Morning Joe hosts are crazy and numb as rock. Okay, so fair enough, but we are having. Oh yeah, so we are. So okay, so this text is apparently over there. I see. So we okay, but what about Trump launches new attack? Launches. Okay. Okay, so it seems that we are definitely not having this big one. I don't even know where it leads. But apparently, okay, they feel. Okay, so perhaps we don't need that one since it's actually the same. What the hell? This yellow page is that slow. Let's see if we click on this. Is it the same? Okay. So defiant. Okay, so we might just play with this, if then. And okay, so let's see what it is. This also would be just nice. Okay, so it's exactly. So it's the show this way. It's pan CD headline text. Okay. But didn't we try to get that last time? Okay, let's give it another last try because I think it's gonna be also our last shot. Oh yeah, it's the same. Okay, fair enough. But it's just pan, and then we're gonna lock this. Just a text. So restart the server. Restart this. Where is it? I thought it was some. No, wait. It's not either here. Did I close it by accident? Come on. Okay, so Okay, so, double dots. Thank you. Come on. It says that we are already running it. Okay, so we'll just run this on port. This from port now. But it's actually gonna be a different one over here. And come on, please. Oh, it can't be an empty string. Come on. I don't understand what's going on with this HTML. Is it wrong? Is there something wrong with it? But I mean, wait, yeah, because this also seems as a, you know, this seems as a JSON file actually, and that's actually interesting. It's not. It doesn't seem as a, yeah. The article list. Ceiling. Okay, so description, duration. Okay. Yeah, I'm very. You know what? I think someone should have like. Maybe someone wrote something about it. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I mean, okay, but yeah, this actually should. Yeah. Okay. Retrieve the. Can we see something more like XML? Okay. Okay. So let's see. I guess the time already passed, but hopefully you are still with me. It always is fast when I open it. But, okay, but so the official time is off. So I guess I at least show you that it worked, or it works on the the BBC side, but this is challenging, and I really need to solve this. But let's see what. Let's give it a last shot, and then we'll close the stream. And I just might work on it after. What? Okay, this is why I'm losing my. Okay. Oh, this 4 seconds. Okay, so this is the whole page again. Doc tab, yeah, it's everything's in here, but it's I don't understand what's going on with the. Everything is in here. It's beautiful, and did that actually work? I don't think Control C actually works in here. Should have. Okay, then we go all the way down. This is right up the way of doing it, but I guess I don't have any better idea now for some reason. So, yep. Okay, so now we actually see this as a. Okay, so Mr. Trump, do we have any? Okay, so okay, so that's still not over here, but what about the? Yeah, this one. So, what's that? What's this part of the code? Is it a JSON? Yeah, it has to be a JSON that is stored, so that's why we are not getting it right. Headline, current model, oh, content model, okay. How I'm supposed to okay. So it's either so it's a script. Fair enough. Yeah, I knew it. It has to be somewhere stored in some. Okay. But it means that the whole page is basically unscriptable. I don't believe it can't be like that. Right? When we render and I get response, everything that is rendered has to be on the page. But anyway, I'll try to figure out and see what I can do with it. For now, I hope you enjoyed the episode today. It was again not that moving forward. I didn't use anything new, but well, I guess that's how it is sometimes with development. You know, you don't always progress and get to the results immediately. So I hope you enjoyed the episode today, and I'll see you later.